So, here we go, part 2. Let me apologize for the shaking off the bat, but see how the bees are doing today, yeah? Let's hope I don't get lit up today. So, here we go. Da-da-da-da. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm not very bright. So, well, I don't know if you can hear that, but they sound incredibly pissed. I guess I'd be too. Wow. Oh, look, an electrified fence. Should we play with it? No, we should not play with it. Ow. Alright, stung and electrocuted. Very nice. By the way, the fence is here to keep the bears away from stealing the honey. Because who doesn't love honey? I do. You know you do too. Haha. So, let's see. Damn. Yeah, it's a lot of bees. 30,000 bees. And all three of these, they will produce in a 3-month course period. You get about a gallon of honey from each one of them every 3 months until winter hits. And assuming the bears don't hit too, which happened last year. It's pretty cool to see, but not too great for the bees and honey. So, what are you gonna do? So, I'm gonna go ahead and leave our little friends alone before they start stinging me because they're flying all around my head. Man, I really hope you guys can hear this because the buzzing is insane. And we're walking away. No stings today, so good deal. But look at this. Not a cloud in the sky, and it is beautiful out today, my friends. Always remember, RayRoc loves you.